fingers all together. This is the song we sing in Minton weather. Thumbs in the thumb place, fingers all together. This is the song we sing in Minton weather. Now, Drake, how old are you? Is it today? The actual day? Oh, really? We get to be with you on your birthday. So, you're 5. Okay. Showing 5. Showing 5.
When his birthday is it today?
Today.
Oh,
okay, can you, how many candles are we getting? Oh, here comes your crown. 5. He gets to pick 5 candles, plus here comes the crown. She's going to measure because everybody's head is different size.
Different. I brought my stapler with me.
I just don't want it too tight or too loose. Let's see how that one fits. Perfect. Okay. All right. Can you stand up and find 5?
We have to do whatever he tells us to do.
No, he's just going to pick you if you are one of his candles. 1. So he's 1. Now he's 2. Now he's 3. Now he's 4. And now he's 5. Okay. Can you get in the middle? He went in a row there pretty much, didn't he? Okay, are you ready, singers? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Drake. Happy birthday to you. Okay, stand real still. He's going to blow way up high so you can mount. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys, come back, and he's going to tap everybody who's quiet, but he's got to just really look, doesn't he? Okay, better slow down because we've got a line over at the sink. Wait just a second.
Whoa,